What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from Revolut to Wise. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to sign up for Wise, you can use my link from the description below, and by using that link to create your account, you will get your first $1,000 in Wise transfers for free without any fees. And now let's go ahead and continue. So to send money from Revolut to Wise, we would first need to open our Revolut app. From there, once you're in your Revolut app, just go ahead and tap on Payments right here. Once you're in the Payments menu, go ahead and tap on the plus in the upper right corner. So from here, select Bank Recipient right here, the second option. Once you're on the account details section, we can go and open our Wise account. Or you can just request the account information from the person that has a Wise account that you would like to send money to. But for this example, we would first need to get our Wise account information. So because we're sending euros from Revolut to Wise, we would need to select that currency. So just go ahead and select the euro account and then tap on the request option right here. From here, go ahead and select your euro account details. And here you would be able to get the details that Revolut requests for you to send money from Revolut to Wise. So you can just copy paste these and input into Revolut. But before we can do so, you would need to go to Revolut and change your country. So because this is Belgium, as you can see by the international bank account number right here, we would need to change the recipient's country to Belgium for this to work. So let's go ahead and do that. Now in Revolut, on the payment section, under the country, just go ahead and tap on that. And just go ahead and find Belgium right here. Now, once you selected the correct country, you can go back to Wise. And now you can start with copy pasting the details from Wise to Revolut. And there we go. So essentially, we only needed to copy paste the international bank account number and the first and last name of the receiver. So here, just go ahead and tap on Add Recipient on Revolut. And we just added a new recipient. And if you look at the upper right corner, you can even see the little Wise icon right next to the profile icon, suggesting that we're sending money to a Wise account. So let's, for example, send 2 euros from Revolut to Wise. Now, once you selected the amount, you can just go ahead and tap Continue. And here is a quick rundown on the transaction. So you can just go ahead and tap Send. And there we go. So now our transfer is being processed and we should see our funds in our Wise account in a few moments. So let's go ahead and check Wise if the funds have arrived. And there we go. Here under the euro section, you can see that the 2 euros that we sent from Revolut to Wise have arrived. So that's guys how you can transfer cash from Revolut to Wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.